On your Mac, choose Apple menu, System Settings. Then click Users and Groups in the sidebar. You may need to scroll down. Click the Add Account button below the list of users on the right. You may be asked to enter your password. Click the New Account pop-up menu, then choose a type of user. For this tutorial, we'll be setting up a standard user only. Standard users are set up by an administrator. Standard users can install apps and change their own settings, but can't add other users or change other users' settings. Unless you know what you're doing, do not set up an administrator, as an administrator can add and manage other users, install apps, and change settings. And don't ever set up automatic login for an administrator. For more information about the options for each type of user, click the Help button in the lower left corner of the dialog. Enter a full name for the new user. An account name is generated automatically. To use a different account name, enter it now, you can't change it later. Enter a password for the user, then enter it again to verify. Enter a password hint to help the user remember their password. Click Create User. If your Mac or Magic Keyboard has Touch ID, a new user can add a fingerprint after logging into the Mac. If you want to delete a user on your Mac and you're an administrator, you can delete users that you no longer want to have access to your Mac. On your Mac, choose Apple menu, System Settings, then click Users and Groups in the sidebar. You may need to scroll down. Click the Info button next to the user or group you want to delete, then click Delete Account. Note: if a user is logged into this Mac now, you can't select them. Next, select one of the following. Save the home folder as a disk image, leave the user's home folder as is, or remove the user's home folder from the computer. We'll be selecting Remove the user's home folder from the computer. Finally, click Delete Account. And just like that, you've rid yourself of a machine slowing and memory-eating user account, never to be seen or heard from again. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.